Hi, I'm Melissa Eichbauer, General Manager of Findlay Volkswagen in the Valley Auto Mall in Henderson, Nevada. Completely by accident, was looking for something exciting to do and ended up here, started my career here at the Volkswagen store in sales, frontline sales, and fell in love with the people and the process and the opportunity to engage with customers, and just stuck ever since. It changed my life. My original career path while I was in college, I never thought I would be in business, let alone the automotive business, but I've learned so many skills and gained so much confidence. I've met my very best friends working in the automotive industry. I even met my husband working in the automotive industry, and we were both selling cars together, and it was love at first sight. I always tell women that I meet in the automotive industry to trust your instincts. Women are natural problem solvers, and we're natural multitaskers, and to be successful, that's what you really need, and it's built in, and we've got it. And don't be afraid to be who you are, and be sensitive if you need to be. You don't have to be a man to succeed in a man's world. You just have to know how to embrace your strengths and put your best foot forward. Sometimes days are stressful, most of the time they're lots of fun. But as the first female general manager in our auto group, I want to show that the opportunity exists for those who have career aspirations that before may have seemed out of reach.